Hello, everybody. This is Michelle. Welcome to my jewelry box. Um, we got our I got the Bargain Bee box in the mail today, and I'm really excited. I've been waiting on this to come. The Bargain Bee box is one of my favorite subscription boxes, if not the favorite, because it is so cheap. It's only $15.95 a month, and that includes shipping. And they send such usually two strands of long strands of gemstones and all kinds of unique pieces and beads and findings that a lot of them I haven't seen before. So go to their website, bargainbeadbox.com, and they also have a sister store, beadboxbargains.com, and they have a lot of cool gemstones and glass beads, sometimes check beads, for very cheap. And then if you got a subscription to the Bargain Bead box, then you get a 30% off coupon code to use once every month. And that takes it down to, even cheaper than they already are. And so we got the identification key. I'm so sorry about my voice. I'm struggling to talk, but I want to get this video because I've been looking for a tutorial on the Bargain Bead box this month, and I haven't seen any. So it says your beads. They give you a little paragraph about what's in the box. So soon the ice will melt and spring's bright colors will be upon us. But for a moment, the world is full of glistening crystal. Natural quartz crystal is hand wrapped for this month's stunning centerpiece, accompanied by 5 electroplated quartz crystal nuggets and a strand of crackled agate round beads, and so on and so on. Your coupon code, it's valid through February 15th, 2019. Your creations and contests, show us what you make with your shipment, and you'll be entered to win a $25 gift certificate to Bead Box Bargains, and that $25 will go a long way. It goes a long way at their site, Bead Box Bargains. Feature the beads in the shipment in your piece of jewelry, and send them a picture to facebook.com/bargain bead box and Instagram @bargainbeadbox, or via email to support@bargainbeadbox.com. And on the back is everything that's the shipment key for everything that's in this month's shipment. Number 1, 40 pieces, 8 by 6 millimeter crystal rondelle beads. These are very pretty. They look like quartz. There's a lot of them, too. Number 2, 12 pieces of 12 by 6 millimeter crystal teardrop briolet beads. And these are very pretty also. Oh. Very pretty faceted, shiny facets. Number 3 is 100 pieces of 4 millimeter crystal bico beads. I'll have to check them out and see what the holes smooth or rough. I bought some there a while back, and they were great. The holes were smooth. They look like check. They looked like checked bicuts. 20 pieces, 6mm crystal cube beads. And these cubes have got a little bit of fastening. They're faceted in like a square, if you know what I mean. Ten-inch strand, 6x4mm C opal in quotes glass rondelle beads. It needs to have that milky look, and they're smooth rondelles. Number 6. 10 grams, 21 gauge, 6mm steel jump rings, rose gold finish. I'm not going to take these out, but you know what jump rings look like in rose gold. Four-piece 38 by 19mm branch pendant links. We've gotten these before, similar. I mean, these are different color and these are textured. And the other ones weren't. I've got a shadow. Four sets round toggle clasp. Doesn't say what size. I probably dropped them when I dropped the other ones. Oh, goodness, I don't know. We'll come back to it. 20 pieces, 8mm dotted round bead caps. These are nice, thick, pretty bead caps. Seven and a half inch strand, 8mm matte crackle agate round beads. I can't really see the crackle. Nice. Okay. Number 11, hand wrapped natural quartz crystal tree of life pendant. That's gorgeous. Look at that. It's pretty clear, and the back is open. Very pretty. I love that. We got a piece of, I think it was carnelian, wrapped with the same color, the same design on it. It was pretty too. 50 pieces, 3 by 5 millimeter tribal style spacer beads. And that's these. And I really don't want to take them out. They're tiny. They're little squares, but they have the edges cut. So on two sides, it looks like a diamond. I love this shape spacer bead. I've heard them called shadows before. I adore them. I got some at Auntie's in the antique brass. And loved them. 5 pieces electroplated natural quartz crystal rough nugget beads. What are that stuff? It fell. Of course. I broke my nail a second ago. I haven't had time to fix it. So, excuse my nail. I know that's the only thing that shows. So, you got to keep them in good shape. And these are electroplated. So, they get that pretty rainbow shine on the outside. Those are pretty good size quartz nuggets. I love those. And number 14, 1 meter, 3 by 2 millimeter steel Rolo jewelry chain. It looks like more than a meter there, but I guess it's just the Rolo makes it bigger. Okay. I do not see the toggle clasps anywhere. I don't know. There were supposed to be 4 sets of toggle clasps. Maybe they forgot them. Oh well. It's okay. Okay, so here's the January 2019 bargain bead box. Finally, it's arrived. I like the clear. I love clear quartz. So this is a nice box for $15.95. You cannot beat it. So go to the website bargainbeadbox.com and check it out. See if it's right for you. Keep your be on the lookout for a Valentine's set, the necklace and bracelet. I call it the Be Mine, BEMINE, Be Mine Valentine's set, and it's edited. The video's done, edited, but I wanted to upload this first and get it out because I'm sure people's waiting on it because I know I was, and then I'll be uploading that. Okay, thank you to my subscribers, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I hope you do. Make sure to hit the bell so you'll get all the notifications and you won't miss anything. And I got a lot more content coming up. And like I said, I'm going to have a nice giveaway as soon as I hit a goal of subscribers, which is probably 500 or something like that. So, okay, everybody, thanks for watching.